This is how to make microwavable mug pudding. First, you add 3 tablespoons of bittersweet chocolate. Next, you add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then you add 1/8 teaspoon of salt and give it a good stir. Then you add 1/2 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And stir it all together. Next, put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Then stir. You can put it in for another 30 seconds and stir again until it looks like this.
So this is us trying it. So yeah.
Yep. Okay. So this is the actual pudding. You can't exactly see it very well, but it looks a lot like this.
Okay.
Yep. So here we
we're
are.
gonna try.
Let's
We're
go.
gonna get like a spoon.
Really
Caution.
Hot.
Wait for it to cool down. Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh, hot.
Oh my god. That's good.
It's really good.
It's really good.
It's really